Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this P0850 port neutral switch input circuit. Now if you're getting that top one, the sort of size you're gonna get from knowledge and experience, I mean car for car varies, you will get ABS light probably traction, gearbox warning fault, doesn't go into P, doesn't go into R and D, or the, in this case, that's the sort of fob you're going to get. But the other ones, maybe this the circle switch, that may not work. So if you're getting this, what we would recommend as a starter, as the most common issue with the Land Rover products, so this is a Range Rover Sport, what we would recommend is to change this first. This is the most common thing that do mess up. We do recommend changing this. It's pretty easy. This whole section here comes off, and it's a few bolts on, take them bolts off and then switch it for the new one. Now, in your case, it very rarely requires coding in, but if it does, require coding, you can use this is a King Bowling K7. You can pick these up, or if you've got anything like anything fancy diagnostic wise, you can do that as well, but very rarely does. But make sure if you're going to get the same coding part number from this, and it will be a case of plug and play. And if it isn't that, then it will be a case of tracking the wiring, because also the wiring does mess up. So we do recommend check the wiring, the fuse to it. If they're all good, then move on to the next step, and that'll be the gearbox itself and the mechatronics. Now this is the component. There'll be plenty online. eBay's your best bet, but be wary. Obviously, if you're going to buy one online second-hand used, you may be in the same boat, because the person selling it may have the same issue, and hence why they're selling it. So it's always best to get new and the same part number, otherwise you'll be in trouble. But there it is, guys. Just a few bolts, probably a DIY job. I do it myself, to be honest. Won't let anyone else touch it, and plug and play.